If you're into travel guides and honest tips about Southeast Asia and beyond, hit subscribe. That's what this channel is all about. Today we're going through the new World Hoiana Beach Resort located near Hoi An, Vietnam. I stayed there in September 2025 and today I'll take you through the room tour, the beach and pool scenario, the breakfast and other food options, and one thing you need to know before you book this as your only stop. We'll start right off with the room tour. You enter the room and you're greeted by the bathroom. There's a massive bathtub to soak in and a huge vanity space. Then there's the shower with rain head and beautiful smelling toiletries and the toilet. Heading back out, you've got a safe and somewhere to hang your clothes, and then the main room has a massive king-size bed as well as a small sitting area and a table with the mini bar. Heading outside, you can see that you've got a beautiful beach view from the balcony, and you can also overlook the resort area with the pools and beach club below. I arrived to the hotel around check-in time and the check-in process was quite easy. I got straight up to my room and then took a tour around the facilities. After having a relatively relaxing night, I woke up the next morning to go to the breakfast buffet, which was included in my stay. It's one of the best breakfast buffets I've ever been to, and even if you're not staying at the hotel, I'd probably recommend coming along just to experience the breakfast buffet. You can purchase the breakfast buffet for around 597,000 Vietnamese dong for adults. Trust me, you won't leave hungry. There's lots of different food options on offer, everything from Eastern to Western cuisines. There's a Vietnamese station where you can make pho and choose the different ingredients that need to go into that. There's also a hot Western breakfast buffet which has things like tomatoes and bacon and eggs and hash browns. There's a bread and bakery area where you can have your toast, or you can choose croissants or other different pastries. There's also a smoothie and fresh juice area where there's banana smoothies or sugarcane juice and different sort of vegetable and fruit juices. There was watermelon juice and there was like a carrot and beetroot juice. Lots of different things to choose from, and they're regularly replenished as other people take from the buffet, so everything's quite fresh. There's also a pancake station where you can have pancakes and a fruit station with lots of different tropical fruits, including watermelons, pineapples, passion fruit. There was even some lime and also some chili salt to try on the fruit, which I know is a particularly Asian flavor, and I gave it a go. So something to try if you want to try something new for your palate. I easily spent at least an hour at breakfast every morning. The setting is beautiful, looking out to the pool area and gardens, and even just on a solo trip by myself, it was well worth the time to just sit and relax, read and enjoy some of the food. I definitely ate more than enough and ate breakfast and then wasn't hungry again until dinner time. Speaking of dinner options, when you're on the resort, there's lots of restaurants available to choose from within the hotel complex. There's also a food court with Western and Eastern options, including Japanese and Vietnamese. On the first night, I decided to go Vietnamese and tried a rice noodle dish with a lemongrass skewer and some egg rolls or spring rolls. That was actually a really delicious meal. That was in a more formal setting. As a solo traveller, for the subsequent nights I ate in the food court, and one night I had Vietnamese again. I had some pho with some spring rolls, and then on the last night I decided to go for some Japanese, so I had some gyoza and some karaage. Very simple but still quite yum. It's not really an area where you can self-cater. There are a couple of convenience stores on the property, but these are more expensive considering Vietnamese standards and what things would cost outside the resort. And you can only really get drinks and some snacks at these convenience stores. So if you're looking for something more substantial or to be able to make even some cold meals, then you'd need to bring those ingredients with you or travel a bit further afield to find them, bearing in mind that there aren't really any cooking facilities inside your hotel room. It's also quite a distance from Da Nang Airport. If you're looking at just staying nearby to the airport, then there's plenty of places in Da Nang and a beautiful beach along there that you can enjoy. So this really is just if you want to enjoy that resort lifestyle for a couple of days and really just let your hair down and not have to think about much at all. After breakfast, I decided to hit the pool. There's a number of different pools around the resort. Each hotel generally has their own pool area, and so I went to the main pool area for the New World Hoiana Beach Resort Hotel. You can walk between the different pool areas and just obtain your towels from the pool desk. There's no one really checking which hotel you're staying in, so it is a bit of a free-for-all in that regard, and you can go check out whichever area you prefer to sit in and lounge around or swim. Next to the main pool that I stayed at, which also has a bar and restaurant area, there's a smaller pool with a water slide, and that's kind of adjacent to the kids club area. So if you're traveling with a family, you could also take your kids to the kids club and enjoy the water slide activities. And then if you keep moving further along, there's also a beach club area that has different cabanas and another bar area. While I didn't stay in here during the day and sun lounge and check it out during the day, I did come back at night time and enjoy a few cocktails by the water, which was really nice. And it's also a completely different vibe than the main pool area, just with the music playing and the atmosphere of the other people enjoying their drinks. I did try a number of different cocktails here and they were all delicious, so shout out to the bar staff at Knox Beach Club. The hotel also has a casino on site and is affiliated with a nearby golf club. Unfortunately, I didn't get to check out those facilities, but a lot of people are coming to the resort for those destination type activities. So if you prefer to check out those, then rest assured that you'll have some time to be able to access those facilities and, place a few bets or hit a few holes of golf. As I mentioned, there's a number of different hotels around the resort and different restaurant areas and bars. So if you do need to travel between the different buildings, there is a shuttle service that the hotel provides free of charge. However, most of it is quite walkable and you could walk between the different areas within 10 to 15 minutes, even in relatively hot weather. And now for my recommendations. If you're planning on booking this as a destination in and of itself, then you might do that if you enjoy golf or betting in the casino. But if you're looking at doing some sightseeing and activities further afield, then this hotel would be perfect for a 2 or 3 night stay just to have a relax and read your book by the pool and enjoy some of the amenities and facilities on site, as well as the delicious breakfast buffet. Unfortunately, I found that it was a little bit too far from nearby Hoi An. The drive to Hoi An is at least 20 to 30 minutes. And although the hotel does provide a free shuttle, I do prefer to have a bit of flexibility in my day. I don't want to have to be at a bus at a certain time and also be at the bus stop to be able to be brought back to the hotel at a certain time. So while this is an option and you might decide to do just a day trip to Hoi An, if you did want to kind of explore or just spend an afternoon here and there walking around the old town, then I would suggest probably staying closer to Hoi An, either in the old town itself or in nearby An Bang Beach. Staying in Hoi An itself or the An Bang Beach area will be more affordable and An Bang is really only about a 5 to 10 minute drive from Hoi An. You can check out my short which explains how to get from Da Nang Airport to your hotel using Grab, which is a handy service, an app to download while you're in Vietnam. And if you're still considering other holiday options, then you could also check out my short where I compare the Bali and Da Nang experiences. Both of those videos are linked below. So that's New World Hoiana Beach Resort in Vietnam. It's great for a couple of days if you just want to relax by the pool and enjoy the resort facilities. But if you're looking at going exploring and checking out some of the other sites to see in the nearby areas, then you're better off placed in Hoi An Old Town or An Bang Beach. If you're still doing more research, check out some of the shorts that I've mentioned throughout the video linked below, and subscribe to 5 Star Trip for more Southeast Asia content. I'll see you in the next one.